dear friends, welcome back. Today is Guru Purnima. It is one of the most auspicious day which we celebrate every year. Friends, I saw that there are many videos on internet platform which tells us that what is the reason that we celebrate Guru Purnima, what is the story behind it, what is the mythology behind it. But friends, what I wanted to discuss with you today is that what is the importance of having Guru in our life? What is that special relationship which we share with our Guru can lead us to the infinite possibilities? Friends, suppose we are walking alone on a road and suddenly there is a thunder in the clouds, suddenly the wind started blowing in, suddenly the rain started pouring in. At that moment we are thinking of only one thing, that where I will find a shelter so that I can get a refuge for a while. Similarly, my dear friends, when we are walking alone in this journey of our life, we do see nasty things around. We see ups and downs in our life. We see regrets, we see failures in our life. And these things completely shakes our mind. At that moment, we are only thinking of one thing, that where I will get a shelter, where I will get a refuge for a while. And that shelter is of your Guru. That shelter is of your Master. Friends, when you take shelter of your Master, it does not mean that the things outside world will change. No, it will not change. The world will still be nasty with you. But what will change is inside of you. Sometimes you get a fear that if world is behaving so harsh with us, will I able to survive in such world? But such kind of fear completely diminishes when you are in Guru's hand. The fear completely drops away. The love's dawn in your mind, the compassion will dawn, the empathy will dawn. It is the most different relationship that you can ever share with somebody. There are many relationships, my dear friends, we can see that relation go topsy-turvy. There are carvings and aversions in every relationship. The relationship can be broken and can be mended also. But this relationship of your Guru and you is completely different. There is no need of formality, there is no need of formal conversation, there is no need of formal dialogue. Just the presence of your Guru can bring the joy within your mind. Just the presence of your Guru can glow your face with knowledge. There are no judgments, there is no shame, there is no guilt at all. Whoever you are, when you surrender yourself to Guru, the Guru will embrace you, whoever you are, whatever you are, and from wherever you are. Guru will not look at your past, Guru will not look at your future, Guru will not look at your present. When you surrender, and there will be complete, the Guru will embrace you. In return, Guru only wants one thing. He wants well-being of yours. He wants you to walk the path of righteousness. He don't want anything in return. Friends, I hope you understood what I am saying. When you take a refuge in Guru's shelter, the world will change. You will start taking a look towards this world with Guru's eyes. There is one beautiful line which I read in one book which says that look at the world with your master eyes. What does it mean? It means that when suppose you are facing a difficult situation in your life, then think that how your master, how your Guru will behave with that thing. How your Guru will respond to that particular situation. How your Guru, whether he or she, will respond to that situation. And at that moment, when you realize that you are seeing the world through your Guru's mind, through your Guru's eyes, you will realize that one beautiful thing, that you and your Guru are not different, you are one. you are taken birth differently, but you are one. And at that moment, you realize the importance of having Guru in your life. Thank you, my dear friends. I hope this will help you in your life. It is helping me a lot, and it will keep helping me in future also. And I will see you in my next video. Happy Guru Purnima.